In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on a Lenovo laptop. First, make sure your laptop is connected to the internet. Then, click on the Start menu at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store and open it. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click on Apps from the left side. Here, you'll see a variety of apps you can download. Many are free, while some are paid. If you're looking for a specific app, use the search bar at the top. For example, type TikTok and press Enter. Now, click on the app from the results, then press the Install button to start downloading. Wait a few seconds for the app to install. Once it's done, click Open to launch it. You can also open the app later by going to the Start menu and searching for its name. That's it. This is how you can download and install apps on a Lenovo laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.